everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup is inspired by the gorgeous Deepika Padukone. It is inspired by her IFA green carpet look, and I really like that look. I think it's really beautiful, so I thought of recreating this for you guys. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm using the Forest Essentials Hassan Rose Mist. This is really refreshing and it also brightens up my face. And then I'm going to moisturize using the Body Shop Vitamin C Moisturizer. And it's also important to hydrate your under eyes. So I'm going to go with some Body Shop Neutrogenics Smoothing Eye Cream. And I'm applying it under my eyes. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids using my all-time favorite Kryolan Dermacolor Camouflage Creme in D64. This is so inexpensive. This is like just for $3.50 and it's such a good high coverage concealer. I really like this a lot. So for this look, I'm going to use my Melt Cosmetics Dark Matter Eyeshadow Stack. This is how it looks like. It comes with 4 magnetic eyeshadow pans, which you can stack them the way you want. They are very pigmented and beautiful, so I really like them. But you can use any similar eyeshadow that you have. So I'm going to go with the color Unseen as my transition shade, and I'm going to apply it in my crease to add a little bit of warmth to my eyelid. Now as a base for the black eyeshadow that I'm going to go for, I'm using the Physicians Formula Smoky Eyes Eyeliner, and I'm just going to fill it on my lid area. I'm not going all the way towards the crease. So you don't have to be very neat with this, just fill in all that lid area so that you have a nice base for the black eyeshadow. Then using a brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges of this eyeliner so that it doesn't look very harsh. And then I'm going again with the color Unseen in my crease and just blending everything together so it looks nice and blended. Then using a flat shader brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Dark Matter and I'm going to pack it on my eyelid. Now since this is a black color, you need to be careful and just use the color little by little to build up the intensity. Don't go with a lot of it at once. You don't want to mess up the whole look. So just go little by little and make sure you keep blending as in when you apply. And also make sure you don't go all the way up to the crease shade, because then it'll look too smoky and you don't want that. So I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and blend out the edges. And then again using the color Unseen, I'm applying more of it in my crease so that the two colors look a little more blended and soft and doesn't look very harsh. So to prime my face, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This is going to give my skin a nice dewy look and also make my makeup last long. And then I'm going to use the Kryolan Orange Corrector and applying it under my eyes. It's very important to cancel those dark circles. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Cover FX Natural Finish Oil Free Foundation in the shade N50. I really like this foundation. It's very lightweight and you can build up the coverage. It's medium to full coverage foundation, so I really like this foundation. And I'm blending it using my favorite IT Cosmetics airbrush brush, I think it is. I'll list it down below, but it's a beautiful brush and it blends your foundation really well. Then I'm concealing those dark circles using the Kryolan Dermacolor in D64. Now with such an intense smoky eye, it's very important that you cover your dark circles really well and also highlight it really well, because you don't want your face to look very dull. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium to highlight my face. So I'm applying it in the usual areas like under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose and my forehead, everywhere that you usually highlight. And I'm going to blend it using my Damp Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to set all those concealed areas using my Maybelline Fit Me Poreless powder. So to contour my face, I'm going to use the Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation in the shade 075. This foundation is really beautiful. It is very easy to blend and it's very lightweight. And I really like this as an option for cream contour. I think it works really well. Now to set all that contour in place, I'm using the middle shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm applying it in all those areas where I applied the cream contour. And I'm also going to slightly bake my face using that middle highlight powder, and I'm also going to apply it under my eyes. So now once I'm done with the baking, I'm just going to go with the shade Unseen using a small shader brush, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line and blend it really well. Then using a small pencil brush, I'm going to use the shade Dark Matter on my lower lash line, and again blending it really well so that everything looks connected and defined. Now I'm using the Urban Decay Black Velvet eyeliner, and I'm going to tightline my upper line and also going to line my lower waterline. Then I'm applying my favorite Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and I'm applying 2 to 3 coats of it on my top and bottom lashes, and I also did apply some falsies. So for that look, Deepika had beautiful bold brows, so I'm going to define and fill in my brows using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit, and I think this gives beautiful natural looking brows. I really like that. And for blush, I'm using this beautiful baked blush from Milani. I think it's in the shade Berry Amore. I'm not really sure. I'll list it down below, but I just like this blush a lot. It's gorgeous. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this gorgeous highlighter from Laura Geller. It's their Gilded Honey Illuminator, and oh my gosh, this highlighter is everything. It's so beautiful, and I'm applying lots of it all over my face because I need a lot of glow. And I'm also going to apply it on my inner corner just to make my eyes a little more open. And I'm lining my lips using the Maybelline Velvet Beige liner, and for lipstick I'm using my favorite Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in Tea Break. I'm not going to apply lots of it on my lips. I'm just going to dab the lipstick on my lips just to add a hint of color. So that's how the look turned out, guys. I really love this look. I think it's so beautiful and sexy. I just went with a more intense black, but you can reduce the intensity as per your wish. So if you like this tutorial, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll meet you soon in my next video. Take care, beauties. Bye bye.